In this video, we're going to show you how to create a view in nFiles. So you can, once you're at the home base, click here. There are two different methods of creating the view. You can either click on it on the main bar right here and click on View, or you can go over to the left-hand taskbar, Create, and click on View. Either way gets you to where you're going to define your view. In this example, we're going to be creating a view about CDWG. I want to find every document I can that mentions CDWG. I want to make it common to all users for strategic sourcing purposes. I'm going to leave this defaulted to show documents and other objects, and then go to Define Filter. You don't have to, but this is one step I do when it says object type equals. And I'm just going to look at documents. Sometimes you might want to look at a document collection, but in this case, just single documents. Next, I'm going to click on the tab Properties, and I'm going to add a condition. And since I'm looking for all types of files that just even mention CDWG, I'm going to go to Name or Title, and instead of equals, I want it to say contains. And when I'm thinking about the value, people might have coded this several years back. They might have said CDW government. They might have said CDWG. So I want to go with the lowest common denominator with CDWG. My options are going to be none. I can't think of any other properties that I would want to search for right now. Right now I just want to see everything we have about that. So I'm just going to click on OK again, and then OK to get me out of the view. Now you go into your Browse quadrant, and you see up here are my private views, and then I want to search in common views. Now for some reason, once you've created a view, it doesn't alphabetize it right away. It's found at the very bottom. So I'm going to open up this view and see what we have. Now, I still don't know how many files mention CDWG. So what I want to do is do an Alt F10. That gives me this menu bar up here. And then I want to go to View, and I want to go to Display Mode, and select Group Objects by Object Type. And here it tells me I have 177 documents to go through for CDWG. Now, this view bar is very much like your one in Outlook, where you can modify what you're looking at. So if you left click and you choose columns, I'm not so interested in the size. Date modified is helpful. Another thing I might want to look at is what year that document was, so I can do sorts by different fiscal years. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and click on OK. And there you can see it's sorted by fiscal year, and if you click on that, it'll sort by year. You can easily change these around, and in another video I'll show you how to export this information into Excel so you can play with that data as needed. Thank you for watching.